In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a payment method in your Shopify account. Let's dive right in, ensuring every step is clear and easy to follow so you can focus on what you do best, running your online store. First, start by accessing your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon labeled Settings. This is your next stop. Clicking on it will take you to a page that opens up a range of options for managing your store's back-end processes and configurations. On the new settings page, we're interested in the billing section, so look for the tab that says Billing. Click on it, and it should lead you directly to everything related to your store's financial transactions and invoices. What we're aiming for next is to add a payment method. Under the billing section, find and select Add Payment Method. This is where you'll choose how Shopify will handle your store's billing processes. You typically have two main options, credit card or PayPal. However, let's work with the credit card option today, as it's one of the most commonly used methods. Once you've decided to use a credit card, go ahead and input the required details of your credit card. This usually includes the card number, expiration date, cardholder's name, and the CVV code. Be sure to double-check these details to avoid any disruptions. Accurate information ensures that your billing processes are smooth and your online operations continue without any hitches. After you've entered all the necessary information, look for the button labeled Add Credit Card towards the bottom of the form. Click on it to save your information. This final step confirms your credit card details and integrates it into your Shopify billing setup. And there you have it. You're all set. With your payment method successfully added, you're good to go. This setup allows Shopify to handle transaction fees and any other necessary charges seamlessly, ensuring that your focus can remain on growing your business and providing excellent service to your customers. Remember, having a reliable and efficient payment method in place is crucial for managing your store's financial health. It can provide peace of mind knowing that your transactions are being handled properly and all financial obligations are met promptly. Congratulations on taking this important step towards optimizing your Shopify store. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy selling!